This is what's going on. Pigeon droppings. More pigeon droppings. More droppings here. They're walking all over the panels. Pigeons. A little bit here too. Not too bad down here. I cleaned it a couple times already. No nest under the panels. So let's wrap it up. So in the process of installing the netting right now. So here's the little tip. I love these style of panels because you can see that it has the lips on the bottom here. Then you can push the net under that lips and it's locked in. It's more secure that way. This is what I mean. It's have the lips on the bottom, so you can tuck it under and then push it up so that it create more tension. Upper tension go to that lips right there and it's lock in place stronger. Installation is done. All the corners are tied. What left is rinse the roof and clean the panels and clean up the round.